Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Course Hero account using the email tied to billing. This proves ownership. Once signed in, check account or membership to confirm which plan you have and the next billing date, because that affects refunds and cutoffs. Make sure you have a receipt or last 4 digits of the card handy for verification. If you're on mobile, open Desktop Site View. This process works best on a browser. Now proceed to the membership controls to begin cancellation. Once in membership, look for Auto Renew or Cancel Membership. This is the control that stops future charges. Click Cancel Membership, and then follow the site's confirmation prompts. Course Hero often asks why you're leaving, so select a reason and continue. Make sure to complete every confirmation screen until you see explicit confirmation that Auto Renew is off. If you have multiple payment methods or shared family accounts, confirm which subscription was deactivated. After confirmation, check your email for a cancel. Finish by saving the cancellation confirmation email and capturing a screenshot of membership status. These prove you canceled before the renewal date. Then verify the next billing date is cleared. If you were charged after cancellation, request a refund promptly and reference your confirmation. If the site won't let you cancel, make sure pop-ups are enabled or try another browser, and then contact Course Hero support with your account info and payment proof. That troubleshooting step resolves most stubborn cancellations quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.